Hey there, I'm going to show you how to clone GitHub repository. Let's begin. So once you reach GitHub, the first thing that you want to do is you need to go to the top right corner where your profile icon is. So you're going to click on it and then look for something which says your repositories. So you have your profile, your repositories, and then your Copilot. So above your Copilot, it's going to be your repositories. And I just recently created a repository. So here it is, VBVVV, and it is public. So then you're just going to click on the link here. So now that it has been opened, you're going to go to this green button here where it says code. And as you can see here, we can clone it through HTTPS, SSH, and then GitHub CLI. But now we want to clone it. So we're going to click on download zip. And as you can see there, it has downloaded. So that's good. Now, another thing that you can do is you can also copy the link here where it says https github.com and then my file name over there. So you can just copy the link there. And then you need to open up Windows PowerShell. So now you're going to type in git clone, and then you're going to paste the link right there, and you're going to hit enter, and it's going to clone it, and then it's going to download on your PC. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.